The main reason I like this standing desk is how mobile and flexible it is. You're not committing it to one spot. You can roll it into any room and use it exactly how you need it. The height can be adjusted with two simple knobs, and you can use it sitting or standing, which makes it really versatile throughout the day. The design is very simple, but it works well. It has enough space for a laptop and essentials, and it feels sturdy without being bulky. Nothing complicated, nothing extra. It moves easily on wheels, so whether I'm working in my office, the living room, or even next to the couch, I can just roll it over and lock it in place. So if you're looking for a straightforward standing desk that's flexible, easy to move, fits into real life, affordable, this one does exactly that. And thanks so much to the brand for sending it over in exchange for my honest feedback. Definitely check it out.